So we gotta clean all this out, and then we could go ahead and address the actual job, which is a PS5 HDMI port replacements for a partner shop. Please, people, try not to smoke around your unit. It makes the dust stick together, and it's really difficult to remove. And surprise, surprise, liquid metal displacement. Shows up the worst on the heatsink here. It's difficult to do it justice, but there we go. Board prep. It's difficult thing. Alright, no torn pads. I'll accept it any day of the week. Let's get these post holes cleared out first. I'm working on cutting some more tutorial videos. You guys seem to really like those. I have been adding videos to the membership library, so that's good. And the stores are being worked on, the website's being revamped. We're just kind of doing a big overhaul of a lot of things. But we are still actively hiring. There's several positions available. A lot of opportunity. If you guys want more details on that, just send you a resume over to sblgamesinc@gmail.com, or you could just call or text us with any questions anytime during business hours. Absolutely beautiful. That's for the people that say, well, I bought a port online, why won't you use it? Well, we've been using the same suppliers for over 15 years. and we know the quality is there. And that if you guys could see the name right there, Luxshare, that's the original equipment manufacturer. So OEM products is what we use. That's why we could proudly offer 2 years warranty. So anyhow, let's test it out. All right, and we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like to show more support. We have memberships available. The store will be set up soon, so you guys will be able to buy merch and parts. So, thanks for tuning in.